what plus be, verb, plus subject plus verb-ing. Is used in both present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Present continuous tense, am or is or are, is used to talk about an action or activity happening now. So the question, what plus am or is or are plus subject plus verb-ing, is used to ask someone what is happening now or what someone is doing now. Examples. What am I doing with my life? What am I thinking? What is he driving? What is she studying? What is it eating? What is Mary organizing? What are you fixing? What are we cooking tonight? What are they making? What are the teachers talking about? Past continuous tense, was or were, is used to talk about an action or an activity happening at a particular time in the past. So the question, what plus was or were plus subject plus verb-ing, is used to ask what was happening or what someone was doing at a particular time in the past. Examples. What was I thinking of doing it? What was I feeding my dog when it was a puppy? What was he managing last year? What was she sewing when you called her? What was it playing? What was Chris feeding? What were you using for your baby? What were we saving up for? What were they having problems with? What were the kids studying?